Have you ever dreamed of a career in cybersecurity but convinced yourself it's not for you? Maybe you watched one too many Mr. Robot episodes, googled how to set up a home lab, and decided you just were not hacker enough to do this. Well, I have some good news for you, my friend. All you need is a browser and a willingness to learn. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can learn cybersecurity skills from zero just by using your browser. There is no expensive setup required. You already have what you need. You just need to show up and do the work. And we are doing this together. But first, if you're new here, hi. I am Eva, and together we TryHackMe. I help you build and grow your cybersecurity career without the buzzwords. If that sounds good to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I don't want you to miss out on all of the great free content we share here. So first, let's get one thing out of the way. Having a home lab sounds impressive. Yes, it sounds like something a real hacker does. But first off, it's super expensive and hard to set up. And even if you had the money and the skills, the setup itself becomes the project. You spend your first 3 weekends configuring an environment instead of actually learning cybersecurity. People get deep into the hardware rabbit hole and never make it to the actual skills. And I'm not letting you do this. You can start building cybersecurity skills today without owning a single piece of extra equipment. Here is what you actually need to start learning cybersecurity: a laptop that can run a browser, and an internet connection, and a free TryHackMe account. That is genuinely it. Much simpler than you thought. TryHackMe runs everything in the cloud. The machines, the vulnerable systems, the lab environments are already set up for you. You just have to access them through your browser, work through the scenarios, and build real cybersecurity skills. When you close the tab, nothing needs to be maintained on your end. You don't need to pay any extra hardware fees. You just start for free using the beginner labs and the introductory content that they have. That is enough for you to figure out if this field is right for you in the first place. Most structured learning paths require expensive fees and certifications. But here with TryHackMe, they actually give you a taste of everything for free. So you can get a taste of the new field if you're brand new and really understand if this is for you before you go spend thousands of dollars. So if you haven't heard of TryHackMe before, it's a browser-based learning platform built entirely around hands-on practice for cybersecurity. You're not watching any videos passively or just going through slides. The actual labs are here to give you the real hands-on experience that real cybersecurity professionals do on the job. And you are going to get to practice in real environments. Think about what a cybersecurity analyst actually does on the job. They're looking at a dashboard, an alert may fire, and they investigate that ticket. They check the IPs, read logs, correlate events, they figure out if this is a real threat or a false positive. They document their findings, escalate if needed, and then they close the ticket. That is the job of a tier 1 analyst. And you get to practice all of this in TryHackMe. Okay, real skills. If you're not sure where to start, I will give you a sample roadmap so you don't feel like you're lost. I want you to start with the fundamentals if you're brand new. So they have pre-security and cybersecurity one-on-one paths for beginners. Pre-security is for literally complete beginners. Cybersecurity one-on-one is the fuller foundational path that covers networking, how the web works, Linux basics, and Windows essentials. Work through it in order and do not skip anything, okay? These are mental models that really makes everything else stick. Once you have the basics, do not try to learn everything at once. This is the most common mistake beginners make. A little offensive, a little defensive, some cloud, some malware analysis, 6 months in, and they don't really know anything. So pick a direction and go deep. Okay, clarity is your power. If you want to go defensive, working in a SOC, Security Operations Center, for example, that is the SOC track in TryHackMe. SOC level 1 mirrors exactly what a real tier 1 analyst does on the job. Triage alerts, using Splunk and Elastic, network and endpoint monitoring, malware concepts, and capstone challenges that tie in all everything together. SOC level 2 takes you deeper into threat hunting and more advanced incident response. So if you want to go on the offensive side, for instance, or you want to become a pen tester, finding vulnerabilities before attackers do, TryHackMe has a dedicated junior penetration testing path that is exactly right for you if that's what you want. So pick one path and really go deep. Okay, the people who get hired are the ones who really understand a domain very, very deeply. So when you're early in your career, just being a generalist doesn't usually work well for you. Now, here's something that I genuinely love about TryHackMe that not enough people talk about. The great news is that you can actually earn certificates as you go. You do not have to wait until the end to start building your credentials. Sec 0 validates your foundational knowledge and is designed for absolute beginners, just getting started, okay? Sec 1 is the next cert up that actually will test your core cybersecurity skills. Then you can move on to SAL 1 if you want to become a SOC analyst, or they also have a PT1, which is a certificate for those of you that are trying to get into pen testing. So from day one, you're literally building real skills and you're stacking up credentials that are so important for your resume. Check the TryHackMe site directly for each one of these certificates. I think this is super valuable, and I haven't seen any other platform offers anything like this. So the most valuable skill in cybersecurity is really having that investigative mindset, understanding the attacks, being able to think like adversaries, and also being able to defend against these attacks in a realistic scenario, because nobody's gonna hand you a multiple choice checklist on the real job. And TryHackMe is built exactly for that. The streaks, the gamified structure, the learning paths, it is all designed to keep you coming back consistently. 30 minutes a day for 3 months will build more real skills than a handful of 4-hour sessions of an expensive bootcamp that you pay for. So I want to ask you a huge favor. Go create a free account on TryHackMe right now. Start a beginner lab. Take notes as you go. Write down what you did and just see if you like it, right? Maybe cybersecurity is for you. Maybe you were just turned down by all of these myths that you need expensive hardware, that you need to be just this super ninja hacker to get started. Just open your browser, just start, check it out. I post here all kinds of walkthrough along with some other great creators in cybersecurity, and we help you go through the challenges. We're doing this together, we're having fun. It's actually much simpler than most people make it sound. You do not need expensive gear. You do not need a server stack. You do not need to wait until you have more money or more time or the perfect setup or whatever it is that is in your head. The perfect setup is the browser and willingness to learn. You already have both. So start today. Not this weekend, not next week, today. Promise me this. You're not behind, you're just getting started, and that is exactly where everyone who made it began. So if this was helpful, do me a huge favor, give that video a thumbs up. It really helps us. Also, if you have any questions or if you'd like to see any videos on the specific topic, drop us a comment below in this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd really appreciate if you subscribe if you like this video, and I will see you in the next one.